County's Board of Health approved tighter COVID-19 restrictions for restaurants and bars during its special called meeting tonight. The move comes as health officials warn of hospitals under strain and case counts on the rise. WATE 6 on your side reporter Elizabeth Kubel monitored tonight's meeting for us. She joins us now here with a full recap. Elizabeth.
Well, Bo, the big action taken by the board tonight is a modified curfew on restaurants and bars. Businesses will soon have to stop dine-in service at 10 p.m. All Board of Health members at the meeting, including Knox County Mayor Glenn Jacobs, approved the change tonight.
9-0, passed unanimously.
Knox County's Board of Health giving its stamp of approval on a new COVID-19 restaurant occupancy limitation and early closure regulation. The board opted for a 10 p.m. curfew and keeping restaurant and bar capacity at 50%. Members also voted in favor of capping table seating at 8 people unless they're from the same household.
Many times you'll have 2 4-tops. Which is a table that seats 4 people, and they'll be pushed together. And when you have those 2 empty seats sitting there, in normal circumstances, it hurts to have 2 4-tops pushed together for 6 people.
The move came after the board heard from Aubrey's restaurant owner, Randy Burleson. He insisted his staff is being safe.
It's almost like they're firing a cannon at the restaurants, but they're missing the entire, they may take out a tree, but they're missing the entire forest on this one because we're not the problem right here.
It is not your staff or your managers that are part of the problem of spreading COVID. It is instead patrons who come in, who use your location as a place to meet and therefore sit across from each other for 15 minutes or more without masks on many times because they're eating.
Also on the agenda, a social gathering limitation regulation proposing that people don't gather in social groups of more than 8 people. Dr. Martha Buchanan withdrew the order until a future meeting, citing confusion among board members.
What's hearing is it doesn't seem clear for people to be able to follow.
The board, though, did pass a risk reduction resolution that strongly encourages following the 5 core actions and how specifically to do that.
Between Wednesday and next Saturday is our most critical time that will affect us probably for the next 2 to 4 weeks. So if we can get people to listen and to act with these sorts of items, it can make a huge difference in our community.
And as for that modified restaurant and bar regulation, it goes into effect Wednesday the 25th and is slated to last 28 days unless it is renewed. The Board of Health's next meeting is on December 2nd, and it is worth noting that as the Board of Health met tonight, groups held 2 separate protests about the meeting and decisions that the board makes. Bo?
All right, Elizabeth, thank you. And we should also note the Knox County Health Department is reporting 47 COVID deaths to date in November, surpassing July's high of 35. Now,